Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In day 3, we learned the first set of Kannada consonants. Today, we will learn second set of consonants step by step. Today in this session, we will learn second group of Kannada consonants, correct pronunciation, then writing practice. Let's go. Let's start. Now, repeat after me. Cha, 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 ja, 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 nya, once again we'll revise. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Let's have some example for the to practice the words and sounds of the letters. Examples: cha, we can say cha, cha, cha. Ja, from ja, ja, na. Jana meaning is people. What is the meaning of jana? People. Jana, jana. Then from cha we will have some words like Chandra. Meaning is moon. What is the meaning of Chandra? Is moon. Once again, just read and repeat. Don't bother about what is the meaning of the word, guys. Just practice it. Just for the sake of sounds, to get the pronunciation, just repeat after me. First we learned second set of the consonants, that is cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Cha, cha, ja, jana means people. From cha, Chandra means moon. Comment below. Day 4 is completed. And like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.